Life's been better ever since I found crystals and jewelry from the Crystal Gemstone Shop. They're a small family-owned business in the USA, and their crystals are top quality. They're beautiful and a great addition to enhance your spiritual practices. All of their stones and jewelry are hand-picked for every customer, and they do their best to fulfill customers' requests on size, color, shape, and more, so you can receive the crystals that best reflect you. There are so many different options on their website for jewelry and gemstones. You are sure to find a piece that fits your desires. And they have quick order processing, usually taking only 24 to 48 hours. I think I finally found my one-stop shop for all of my crystal needs. Every item you purchase has a detailed description of metaphysical properties and uses and meanings of the different crystals, so you're sure to know what you're purchasing each and every time. I will purchase more because I love all of their products, and you should too. Just use code SHINE for 20% off your first order.